In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hotels.com account. By the end, you'll be set up to save bookings, review past trips, and unlock member-only prices, all from one convenient profile. First, open your web browser and go to the Hotels.com registration page. You can use the UK example at https://uk.hotels.com/user-create-account, or simply navigate to the equivalent registration page for your country. Depending on your region, the page may look slightly different, but the process is the same. On the registration form, start by entering your first name and surname exactly as you'd like them to appear on your account. Next, add your email address. Make sure it's an email you check regularly and double-check for typing mistakes. This email will be used for account access and important updates. Now create a password. Hotels.com typically accepts passwords between 6 and 30 characters. For better security, use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it generate and save a secure password for you. You'll see an optional checkbox to receive email deals and offers from Hotels.com. If you'd like to hear about promotions and discounts, check this box. If not, you can leave it unchecked. You can always change your preferences later. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. There's usually a required checkbox you must tick before you can continue. If you want to review the details, feel free to open those documents in a new tab and skim what matters to you, such as how your data is used and your choices for communications. When everything looks good, click the button that says Create Account, or a similar label like Sign Up. The site will process your information for a moment. If you see any error messages, for example, a password that's too short or a mistyped email, fix the highlighted fields and click the button again. Once your account is created, you'll be signed in automatically. From here, you can start saving bookings to your profile, manage your trips in one place, and take advantage of member-exclusive prices. You might notice your name or an account icon in the top corner, which confirms you're logged in. Consider bookmarking Hotels.com so it's easy to return when you're ready to plan or review a stay. That's it. Your Hotels.com account is ready. Enjoy the convenience of saved details, a clear view of past trips, and special rates just for members.